In this video I'm going to show you how to upload images into your Google Drive. So for the first step you will need to have a Google Drive account, of course. And if you want to search for your Google Drive, then go to google.com and make sure you are logged into your account. You can see the profile picture on the right side. And after that you will search for Google Drive. Once you have done this, then you can click on the top result and you will be redirected to your Google Drive. Now for the next step, we would like to upload a picture or image. And that is why we are going to upload a image. You can do that by clicking on the plus sign on the left with the text new. And there you can click on upload files. If you want to upload a picture or image, just click one you want to upload. And now it's uploading into your Google Drive. So that is how you upload a picture or image into your Google Drive.